Hello everyone. Welcome back to What's Next for all business owners in the digital world. Today, we're talking about the physical stuff you need to sort out before diving headfirst into your online business. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get into it. So, before you start dreaming of that logo, let's first talk about your workspace. It could be your kitchen table, a little corner in your bedroom, a rented office space, or even a local coffee shop. Anywhere you can set up your laptop and actually get work done. Speaking of laptops, that brings us to the tech stuff. And no, I'm not saying you need to turn into a tech whiz overnight, but it does pay off to know your basics. So, what's the need of the hour? You need a good computer, a solid internet connection, and the right software. We're talking about design software like Canva or Photoshop, accounting software, HR management stuff, and so on. Get the tech that matches your business needs. And while we're on the subject of computers, let's dive a little into that. My suggestion is to aim for a computer with at least an i5 processor. Whether you're a Windows person or a macOS fan, the spec is essential. Remember, you're going to rely heavily on this machine, so consider it an investment for your business. Allocating a reasonable budget for it now will pay off in the long run. It's a real workhorse for your online empire. Now, don't rush into designing that logo just yet. Remember, your business needs to resonate with your customers, not just you. So it's time to take a step back and think about your business niche. Hold up, but let's clarify something. Industries and niches, they sound similar, but trust me, they're as different as apples and oranges. An industry is the big picture, like personal care. A niche, that's your unique twist. It's like saying you're not just into personal care, you're specifically into Thai yoga for pregnant mothers. Yeah, I know it sounds like you're boxing yourself in, but trust me, you're not. You're just being smart about who you're trying to reach. If you can't make one group super happy, how will you manage to please everyone, right? Steve Jobs once said, "Focus on one thing and make it perfect." That's your aim here. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed at this point, that's awesome. It means you're learning and growing. Remember, you're not alone. Drop your niche and industry in the comments, and we'll be happy to give you feedback. Only now should you start thinking about your branding, your business name, your logo, your colors. Everything should speak to your niche and your target audience. For instance, if you're targeting people who want to get in shape but hate the gym, your branding might be the top and worthy online gym for lazy people. The name, the colors, the channels, it all connects. Alright guys, we're about to wrap things up. Remember, drop your business ideas and niche selections in the comments below and we'll share some feedback. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next episode where we'll dive even deeper into the world of online business. Until then, stay awesome and stay focused.